All right, so new cam, old cam. Remember when I showed you the little lifter with the roller that flattened out that was causing a misfire? This is what the misfire looks like. This is how my lobe is supposed to look on my camshaft, but because of the impact from that lifter on the cam, it flattened it out and it looked like this, throwing metal shavings into my engine and causing a misfire on cylinder 5. That's what it's supposed to look like with the new one. That's what that one looks like. The rest of it's pretty good though.